Typically, the workplace hazards often are the equipment. There's such enormous pieces of equipment, drilling equipment, digging equipment, excavation equipment, all those things. And if the appropriate safeguards aren't taken and if the appropriate barriers aren't created, unfortunate workers can sometimes go into an area that's not appropriately marked and suffer absolutely devastating injuries. For example, I had a case years ago where a very young guy, he hadn't been a construction worker for very long, was working in the vicinity of this absolutely enormous drill that was coring 20, 30 feet down on the earth. It was not properly bounded or guarded by barriers or guards. And in the course of walking by with other material, he walked by too close. It grabbed his right leg and caused extraordinary orthopedic and soft tissue injuries to his leg, such that he couldn't work as a construction worker anymore. He actually had to give up that line of work. That was a significant settlement on his behalf. Additionally, you also often see less obvious causes of injury. For example, walking across a floor that has holes that are not appropriately marked, or if another trade had been working in an area and had not barricaded that area sufficiently, a worker, and the folks at these sites are often involved in other stuff, and they're carrying stuff, and they're looking at stuff, looking at blueprints and that, so they're often not focused on the 3, 4, 5 feet in front of them, and they will often stumble into holes or defects in the ground that can cause devastating injuries.